I tell you guys, look at this. Look at the weather. They said that it was gonna be 80 degrees or 75 degrees, clear sky, and look all of a sudden. And look, here comes Joe. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping you're having a great day today, and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Yesterday I took the fender out, the white fender. So I was hoping to paint it today, the fender and the mirrors, because the mirrors are color green, and I'm trying to see if I can make the car all one color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start wet sanding. I have to take the mirrors out. Alright then, I'll be back, guys. So this is the things I have to go through right now. It's 61 degrees outside. Look at the weather. It's kind of like, it's breezy outside. So if you guys notice, around 2 o'clock Marietta time, it's gonna be sunny. So around 2 o'clock, I have to, between 2, 3, and 5, between 2 and 5, I have to take advantage of the time so I can paint the fender and the two mirrors. So now I'm gonna have to just wait for a little bit. Alright then.
How you really want it, Latin boss, I'm a hoe, gripping the game with a twist on it, all or nothing, how we play, baby girl, if I may, take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way, give you things you never had, champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite, be her, tell me can you handle that, I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed, pockets swelling out with hundreds, VIP when we arrange, keep it ghetto, keep it gutter, show you how to flip a dollar, separate the mutts from the pit bulls and rock wallets, for all my head, they out here hustling, making moves and doing things, put them bottles in the air, grab a cup and make it rain, ready to get it, so am I, go to the bottle we apply, counting the bills and stacking high, looking so fresh and oh so fly, so come on in and take a ride with me, she ain't no bluffing over here, I just call him how I see, G4 fly, full of hustlers inside, wave the haters goodbye, watch me lean side to side, everything is on me, I'ma show you how to get it, I'ma show you how to eat, G4 fly, full of hustlers inside, wave the haters goodbye, watch me lean side to side, we get it cause we hustling, show you food what's happening, we getting hundreds man, campaign, sip a little champagne, rugas on the dome, like a migraine, I'm so official with it, ride with a vato when it's time to get it, Latin boss all the south, better get with it, spinning them wheels through the city streets, get with a local, show you how to eat, no second guessing, I'ma do me homie, you gon' see, get the bottle poppin', and get the hyenas jumpin', go and do it all night long, getting into something, vision blurry, but I'm still gon' get my walk on, got my thumbs creased, and my chucks on, sipping heavily, I got to get my buzz on, G4 take flight when I'm in the zone, I'm a hustler homes, get it by any means, wave to the haters, better try to get like me, drinking good, smoke.
Alright guys, we just finished putting the new bow cover on, and the strut bar, same color. You can't see it right now because I'm not in the daylight, but whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna bring the car outside so you guys can look at it. Alright, so now we're gonna go back there and start sanding down the mirrors and the fender. The weather's not that good, like I already told you, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna see what we can get out of it. Alright then. Alright, since you guys want to see us painting, I got the mirrors already ready. We're good to go. We got Kevin there chilling. So I'm gonna put some time lapse, alright guys? So that way, you know, you guys can see me. Say goodbye to the white fender. Yeah.
Good, catch me leaning, head going round like some 22 spinning. G4 fly, full of hustlers inside. Wave the haters goodbye. Watch me lean side to side. Everything is on me. I'ma show you how to get it. I'ma show you how to eat. G4 fly, full of hustlers inside. Wave the haters goodbye. Watch me lean side to side. We get it cause we hustling. Show you food what's happening. We getting hundreds, man. Elevating to the top, dog. Like a top dog. Tell me who's that Michigan. Got the whole game on lock, dog. You can see him in the flesh. GA represent the boss rider. Got next. A little hard liquor, a little bit of smoke. Couple rucas in a thong, shining Davis folks. Still a go-getter, still the same ones. Still the same clip, still the same guns. Still about money, homie you ain't know. Mr. C to the H, and then the I and O. I'm about to tip the scale like I'm overweight. I'm a hustler, get my fatty full at any rate. G4 fly, full of hustlers inside. Wave the haters goodbye, watch me lean side to side. Everything is on me. I'ma show you how to get it. I'ma show you how to eat. G4 fly, full of hustlers inside. Wave the haters goodbye. Watch me lean side to side. We get it cause we hustling. Show you food what's happening. We getting hundreds, man.
So the good news is that finally I'm gonna have my car in one single color. The bad news is I got a couple of runs here. Look at that, I got a run right there. I got another run right here. And then a fly landed on my fender. How lovely is that? The mirrors came out pretty good. There you guys have it. Let's go check out what my neighbors are doing. The good thing about this place is that I have some ASE certified technicians next door to me, which are my neighbors. That's Bill.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
That's Tang.
What's up?
Tang, how old are you, Tang?
26. 26?
Oh, so he's young. And this is the shop next door to me, right here. I'm gonna show you guys. Now they do a lot of headache work. I don't. You know? I do light work. This is the main road right here where we at. This is called Parkway. If you guys are from here, from Georgia, you guys know where this road is. So they have 1, 2 alignment rack. They have 3 lifts and alignment rack. So they do a lot of engine work. That's like, we're like one building attached to each other. So as you guys can see, they're pretty busy today. They've been some good neighbors since I met them. Pretty good, solid neighbors. So anytime I need some help, they always help me. So yeah. Woo, boy. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to paint today, but it turned out to be okay. So I'm about to bring the fenders and the mirrors inside the shop because there's dust flying in here. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have made it to the end of the vlog, end of the video, whatever you guys want to call it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, I'm out. Peace.